Christian allegories in the Restoration Age. The Restoration Age in English literature, spanning from 1660 to 1700, was a period of significant social, political, and cultural transformation, marked by the restoration of the monarchy under King Charles II. While this era is often associated with the flourishing of secular and libertine literature, it also witnessed the persistence of Christian allegory in various forms. One notable example is John Bunyan's The Pilgrim's Progress, 1678, an allegorical narrative that follows the journey of Christian as he seeks salvation. This work, though published after the Restoration, significantly influenced literature during this period. The narrative is replete with Christian symbolism, representing the challenges and trials faced by individuals on their spiritual paths. John Milton's Paradise Lost, 1667, while predating the Restoration, extended its influence into this era. This epic poem narrates the biblical story of the fall of man, emphasizing themes of sin, redemption, and divine justice. The character of Satan and his rebellion against God serves as an allegory for human disobedience and the consequences of straying from divine guidance. Andrew Marvell's Upon Appleton House, 1651 to 1652, published posthumously in 1681, employs Christian allegory to explore the Garden of Eden. The poem describes the estate of Nun Appleton, drawing parallels between its beauty and the innocence of Eden before the fall. It alludes to Christian themes of sin, redemption, and the transient nature of earthly beauty. John Dryden's satirical poem, Absalom and Achitophel, 1681, draws parallels between the biblical story of Absalom's rebellion against King David and the political events of the time, particularly the exclusion crisis. The poem utilizes biblical allegory to comment on contemporary political issues, with characters representing historical figures. Even John Wilmot, Earl of Rochester, known for his libertine and satirical writings, incorporated Christian allegory into his work. A Satire Against Reason and Mankind, 1679, critiques reason and the human condition, depicting a fallen world where reason is corrupt. It reflects a pessimistic view of human nature, reminiscent of Christian themes of original sin. While the Restoration Age is often associated with secularism and a departure from religious themes, these examples demonstrate the persistence of Christian allegory. Writers of the period engaged with religious motifs to comment on morality, politics, and the human experience, albeit often in a more complex and nuanced manner than in earlier eras.